最蓬勃嘅時候咧就係戰後，咁啊開始有人就做翻生意啦，咁所以咧就對印刷品嘅需求係好大嘅。有咩事發生？突咗。我就係想希望傳達到俾一啲小朋友知道乜嘢叫做活字印刷，知道活字印刷係我哋中國古代嘅4大發明之一咯。
小時候嗰個做法，嗰個味道。咁係打完漿我哋先至辛苦咯。手嘅力度要均勻，要撈得佢勻勻咯。如果佢唔勻勻，咪有一啲冇咁鬆透咯，一啲硬啲咯。你嚟到香港或去到香港港式茶餐廳，第一時間魚蛋粉。我係一定要咧保持翻小時候嗰個做法，嗰個味道。
大家好，我是可愛你。As you can see today, we're gonna cook something. Well, as you know already, since I'm back in France, I really miss Taiwanese food, but there is something I even miss more. It's Taiwanese breakfast. Because obviously, there is no Taiwanese breakfast in France. I can't just grab it when I go to work. So I'm gonna have to make it. So first, I'm gonna make the more traditional one, bing. I already make some when I was in Taiwan, but I just buy the pancake is already made and I just put things on it. But no, I really have to do everything. When it's only flour, I just put some salt inside, some water, and as well green onion. That's all. Yeah, so just pour a bit of water. Yeah, I think it doesn't look that bad. While I do this video, I'm so afraid like I will be so proud of myself to do it. But if there are people there just on a breakfast shop or something, they will just say, "What you're doing is nonsense." So I do my best. Green onion. Yeah, I think it looks kinda close. So I have time to explain you why I do it. Actually, I really want to make my family try Taiwanese breakfast, but I can't buy it, so I'm gonna make it for them. So in next video, you should meet a member of my family if they agree to do it. So now it's time to cook it. As you can guess, it probably won't have the shape like breakfast shop do, but I'm gonna do my best. Actually, I feel I'm gonna be proud of myself. This really look like one. So this is finished cooking. It's not like round, but the smelling is same, so I trust it can be same. Now I'm gonna put things on it around it. I really want to do so simple one, like an egg as well, cheese and ham, that's all. I'm gonna use the ham we have here. This is really good one. Okay, when it's cooking it look like that. Only have to let all of this melt down. I really hope I'm gonna succeed because I want to eat. Hey, I know the shape is not good, but this actually look really similar. That's the time we're gonna know. Did I success to make it? Sure is really tasty. Honestly, the ham really don't taste same, but the pancake stuff really same. So, I will can eat Taiwanese breakfast even here. So now, I'm gonna finish it. It's really same. I was afraid the pancake is too thick, but it's not, it's just good. I just have to learn how to make it perfect round. Okay, so it's fine. I'm just gonna come back to Taiwan and open breakfast shop. But I think the things really sucks about it is why I only make one. I should have made 10. something like that, just to eat a lot. Okay, now let's try something else. Cause I'm still hungry. So I think we can say a success to make dumpling, right? I hope you're gonna be agree with me. So now let's try to make something more complicated. The first time I went in Taiwan, I saw both the same, but it's not. After typing, let's make 葱油饼. All the ingredients is same, so I don't have to buy anything else. But the way of doing this is not the same. So I have here flour. I have to put water inside, but it's boiling one. I have to put all in one time, and I have to put a bit of cold water. This actually look and smell exactly the same like how we make bread in France. Okay, so now you have to cover it like that and let it rest for 30 minutes. So. See you in 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's been 30 minutes and as you can see, it grows so big now. I put the camera like that so you can see what I'm doing. So I have to cut it in 4. Okay, so now I have my first little one. I'm gonna make it flat. When it's flat, I just need to put the scallion. Quantities is really up to you. Okay, I think it's enough. So now I have to make a tube. And then we're going to roll it. Now we have to make it flat. Okay, it's enough now. So now I just have to put some oil on it. I choose to put olive oil because I like the taste, but you can choose oil you like the most. So I finish. Now I only have to cook it. I just put a bit oil on the pan to make both sides a little bit oily. So it's cooking now. We only have to wait a bit. Hey, so what do you think about? I think it looks good. I'm only gonna put some soya sauce on it and gonna be perfect. So now there's only one thing else to do. Just try to eat it to see if it's good. I think I already make it good. It's really crunchy and inside soft. It's so damn tasty. The salty is perfect. It's really good. I'm really gonna kill it all. Really don't need anything else. Yeah, it's so good. I succeed the 2 things I wanted to do today. So I think in the future I should try something harder to do. So you should give me an idea about Taiwanese meal I should try to make myself. But remember, I didn't study any cooking. I just love to cook myself. Don't tell me things is not too original. Thanks for watching today. I hope I make